Hi everyone, this is Yud from the Tech channel. Welcome back to this review. Today I will be reviewing the Wi-Fi card from Asus dual band pci-e adapter. It's called pci-e AC51 wireless AC750 high-speed connectivity 300 megabyte to 433. It supports 2.4 gigahertz and also 5 gigahertz. So it's compatible with the new Wi-Fi cards, 3-year warranty, advanced performance. It needs to be also mentioned about there is multiple version of this card. This is AC750 advanced performance. There is also AC1200 enhanced performance, and there is also AC19 100 unlimited performance. Every version of these support a higher speed, and that's also depending on what you do in your life. Are you streaming? Do you really need it? If you don't really need it, so then there is no benefit of paying more money just to have it. Or at least there is now in the market also Wi-Fi card that support Wi-Fi 6. I also will be making a video about it in the few next days, so please subscribe to see that video and also another videos. So it's of course easy. If you really don't know, just ask for some help from maybe someone you know. The Wi-Fi card itself is very small. This is also the antenna. After of course you install it in your desktop, you will be of course putting the antenna from the outside of the case. Be sure to take a look at least a little bit on the guide menu, then you will know which direction you need to install the antenna, because that's also important, and there's some company specify which direction you need to direct the antenna to get the best result of the network. As you see here also, I just install it, and it's very easy to do. This is of course some information about it. It supports Wi-Fi 5, the protocol 800, ELF AC, and also the security type WPA2 per personal, and it's of course manufacturer Realtek. Description: Asus wireless PCIe adapter, and this is also the driver version. And this is also a test about the speed when I was downloading a movie actually from a server for a website. The thing is, you need not to be critical about every download of or from any website, because there's some servers for some websites it's very powerful, and it's of course supporting a very high speed. There is another website that doesn't have really a high speed server, so that really affect on the Wi-Fi card itself and the speed itself and the downloading itself. So that's it for me for today. I hope this video was useful. If you have really any question, please feel free to write it down below for me, and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.